I have started recording the session, guys. Okay, today I'll be showing how to create a project first. So normally in Maya, whenever you have to create a project, then we have to work. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you how to create a project. Go to file, project window, file, project window. This is your project window. Then new, create new project, create new project. I'm gonna create chessboard. Today today we are going to create a chessboard. Pawns and all we will create. So that's why my project name will be chessboard. Okay. So that's the project name. Location. Where do you want to save? That location you need to choose. Okay. So I have choose the Maya project. Then primary locations, all this whatever is there, let it be like that. Here whatever you see, this will be you will be creating additional folder in the main folder. These are the subfolders in the main folder called chessboard, and accept. I'll show you how does this looks. Okay, see, we have created our project file. This is chessboard. Now, if you open this, these are the subfolders which are in the main folder, Maya. In the main folder, chessboard. Understood? These many subfolders have created by automatically when you create a project folder. These are the subfolders created. So now, when you save something, it will save inside scenes. Okay, the file will save inside scenes. Source images. If I want to import a reference image and I have to create that model, means I have to import that reference image into the source image. Let's say I want to import a chessboard reference image. Okay, that I have to copy inside the source images folder. Okay, fine. So now what I'll do, I want to source one chessboard image. So chess pawns. Okay, you have to take chess pawn. I want to take all the pawns actually, like this. I want to take something like this. Okay. So let me download this. I'll save this image. See, inside source images, I'll save. Okay. That's it. See, I got this here. Okay. These are the images. Now what I'll do, I'll come to Maya. I'm in Maya. Anyhow, project has been, folder has been created. Okay. Here, come to front view. You have to come to front view. Okay. So you have to come to front view to import image. Okay. So the next step is how to import an image. I'm in perspective right now. How to import an image? Just press spacebar. You can see orthographic view. Now come to front view. Press spacebar. You are in front view now. How to import image? View, image plane, import image. Make a note of this. View, image plane, import image.
Okay.
Okay. Good. So click over here. Now see Maya, when you set a project, Maya it's kind of a smart. It knows everything. Where to go when you click on certain line item. So now when I click on import image, automatically it comes to source images. Select the image, open. Okay, the image is over here. After this, alpha gain is there. I want to see through. I want to see the image. I want to see the grid as well. So alpha gain, I'll make 0.5, 0.5. If you want, let it be 1. I'm okay either ways. Then image center by it's okay. This also at least image center Z is there, no? So I want to push this image now. See, it is in the center of the grid. I don't want this image to be in the center of the grid. Z-axis, since we imported this in front view, Z-axis -50 you give. Image center Z -50. So now the image is over here, right? It's not in the center of the grid. So you just select this. Only do one thing, image center -50. Because I have imported this in front view, in Z-axis -50 you have to give. Okay. Understood. Okay. Now, first thing I want to bring this, see when I'm working on one particular model, make sure that is in the center of this grid, center of the image. Okay.
Yes.
So, like this, using middle mouse, okay. Click here, okay. You have to hold control and you have to bring it closer. Okay. Okay, fine. Understood. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, create. Okay, come to create CV curve tools. Control curve, create curve tools are there, no? Come to create curve tools. Take the CV curve tool. Okay. Curve tools, CV curve tool. Okay. So here, start from this particular place. Draw a curve like this. Then you draw like this. The more you zoom in and create, no, the curve detail will be more like this. After this, enter. Only half you have to create. Only half curve you have to create, not completely. Then after that, right click, go to control vertex, select this, X, snap to grid, X, snap to grid. Okay, so we created a curve like this. Any doubts?
No, sir.
Understood up to here? Okay,
Yes.
now select this. Here surface is there. Go to surface, revolve. You got a model. Understood how to create this as per the reference? Okay. Okay. Fine. Now, as you know, select this model, edit, delete by type, history. Then delete this curve. Okay, I'm keeping this thing somewhere here. Now we will do the next one. So again, you have to go to front view. Now I want to do this model. Okay, so just come down here, image center X, click here, hold control and middle mouse you need to press so that our cursor became like this. Then you drag. Okay, now just bring this to center, that's it. Then after that again, go to create, curve tool, CV curve. It is same from the beginning. What we have done, we have to repeat. So if you zoom in more, you can create a detail. So after this, I'll just end up like, doing like this, because here you have the additional boxes. So I'm just creating like this. Go to control vertex, X, snap to grid. So do the arrangements. If some changes required, you have to do by looking at it closely. Okay, it's done. We'll come over here in the perspective. Select this surface, revolve. See, like this. After that, I'm just taking one cube. So I just place this here. So just place it here. I want to make this smaller, like this. So something like this. If the call got disconnected, join again. Okay. Now the pivot point of this particular model is over here, but I want my pivot point to of this particular square or cube to be over here. So for that, insert the key. There is a keyboard button, insert, press insert, then hold X, move this pivot point to the center of the grid. Okay, press insert. If you press insert, it comes like this. Then hold X. While holding X, you need to move this to here like this. Okay, then W. Now duplicate this, and I'm rotating this in 30°. After that, shift duplicate like this. So you get like this. Okay. So I can delete the curve, select all this, Control G for group, modify center pivot. So I can move here. Okay. Similarly, I need to move this to the next one. Horse we will do later. Okay. You need to click on image center X here. Okay. Then holding control with middle mouse you have to do, and I'm placing this one here. Like this. Again, create curve tool, CV curve. Same thing we have to repeat. Are you guys able to understand?
Yes.
Lele, Jabo, Jabulo?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
I
man.
can see.
Good. Okay, now see, while creating this curve, I went somewhere. By mistake, I clicked somewhere here, which is wrong. Press backspace to come back. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I'm just doing like this. See, every detailing is very important in this. The more you give detail, the output will look really good. Okay, now after this control vertex, select. Like this. So a lot of deep detailings are important in this. Okay, now select this curve, surface, again revolve. So see, the more detailing, it looks really good. Okay. Any doubt is there?
Sir.
Okay, good. So same thing, we have to report, repeat for other models as well. Okay, so I'm just keeping this somewhere here. I'm just placing it. Select this, I'm deleting this. Now the next model, select this. Let me do this model. To do this, just come down, select image center X, hold control, middle mouse. Okay, always it has to be in the center of the grid. This dark line is there now. See this dark line. It should be, see the image. Always this image has, whatever we do, it should be in the center of the grid. So now again, go to create curve tool, CV curve tool. From bottom we'll create like this. Just keep drawing. You need to draw curves like this. So after that, I'll be creating like this. Enter. So right click, go to curves, select. The first and the last curve should, it should be center of the, it should be in center of the grid. So after this, select the curve, surface, surface, revolve. See, and small detailing we have to do. We can do that as well. Go to control vertex. It's quite simple. You just need to select this. So I'm selecting only this. Alternate, remove. So that you get like this. Some design is there, no? You can achieve this kind of design. So it's okay. So after this, just move this aside.